Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix DRL light Acura Mdx Easy Guide. Begin by locating the DRL fuse and checking for blown fuses, then inspect. Most DRL complaints come from simple causes that you can check in minutes. Start with fuses and relays, since those are quick to access and inexpensive to replace. Next, look at bulb sockets and wiring for corrosion or rodent damage that can interrupt the circuit. If those checks pass, scan the vehicle for stored codes that might indicate a module or sensor issue. Work methodically and document each step for easy troubleshooting. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation. Musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free voice control while you wrench, and it pairs well with garage playlists or walkthroughs. Please check the description for the product link and other deals, and consider this as a light recommendation from me. Now let's get back to the video. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts while you work. Replace suspect fuses and temporarily swap the DRL relay with a known good relay to quickly determine if the relay is the issue. Inspect the bulb socket and use a multimeter to confirm voltage and continuity before ordering parts. When replacing components, use OEM or high-quality replacements and reconnect the battery to verify that the DRL operates correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.